Welcome, and following is a Samsung Galaxy A10, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, so right here, and from here tap on the three bars and go into Manage Contacts, and you'll find Import Export Contacts. So we want to import contacts, and you get a choice from SIM card right here, and then it gives you a list of contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can just select each one that you want to copy and tap on Done, and to the phone, import, and that's it. The contacts have been imported. So that is how you would perform this, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.